Your child hands over a coin at a little shop. The seller gives back some change, and your child just stares at it. They have no idea if it's right. That moment of confusion is more common than you think, and it's completely fixable. We live in a world of card taps and phone payments. Children today handle physical money far less than any generation before them. Research from early childhood educators confirms that this drop in hands-on experience makes deliberate coin practice more important, not less. Not less. And here's the thing. Making change is not just a shopping skill. It combines counting, arithmetic, and logical thinking in one small real-world moment. It's a workout for the brain dressed up as everyday life. Today, you're getting a step-by-step plan, the count-up method, a home pretend shop, and the one skill your child needs first before any of this will click. Let's start there. Before your child can count change, they need to be comfortable with skip counting, counting in groups like 2s, 5s, and 10s. Think of it as the engine under the bonnet. Without it, counting coins feels like a wall. You can build this skill anywhere. Count steps going upstairs in 5s. Clap a rhythm in 2s. Group small objects on the kitchen table into sets of 10. A few minutes a day is genuinely enough. Once that fluency is there, coin counting starts to feel easy. Now introduce your local coins, whatever currency you use at home. Tip them out on the table, and just let your child explore them first. Sort them by size, by color, by the feel of the edge, smooth or ridged. This isn't time wasting. Research consistently shows that handling concrete objects before moving to numbers is the right order, not the other way around. Make a simple reference card together. Just a piece of paper where you draw each coin and write its value next to it. Your child's hands made it, so their brain owns it. Stick it on the fridge. Now you're ready for the pretend shop, and this is where it gets genuinely fun. Walk around your home and collect 10 or 12 small items. A tin of beans, a toy car, rubber, a bar of soap. Give each one a handwritten price tag. Keep the prices very small and round to start. Think easy numbers. Nothing tricky yet. Set the items on a table. Give your child a small handful of coins to be the customer, and you be the shopkeeper first. Let them buy something, hand over a coin, and watch you make the change. Narrate every step out loud. This is important. Children learn by hearing the thinking, not just seeing the answer. Here's exactly what to say. This costs 8. You gave me 10. So I start at 8, and then you place coins one at a time on the table, counting upward. 9, 10. These coins are your change. That's the count-up method. You never subtract. You simply count forward from the price to the amount paid. The coins you placed along the way are the change. Why does this work so well? Because it removes the hardest part. Mental subtraction, working out 10 minus 8 in your head, is genuinely harder for young children than counting forward. The count-up method meets their brain where it is, and it works in any currency on Earth because the logic is universal. Follow a natural order with the coins. Start with your smallest coins to reach the nearest round number. Then move to larger ones until you hit the total paid. So if something costs 7 and your child pays with a large coin worth 20, you'd use small coins to get to 10 first, then a larger coin to reach 20. Step by step, smallest to largest. After a few rounds as the shopkeeper, swap roles. Now your child runs the shop, and you're the customer. This is where real learning happens, when they have to do it themselves, out loud, with you right there. Don't step back completely. Guide them. Ask, what's the price? What did I give you? So where do we start counting? Research into maths instruction is clear on this point. Play works best when an adult is actively involved, asking questions, and narrating the process. Pretend play alone doesn't automatically build mathematical skill. Your presence and your questions are the actual teaching tool. Praise the counting aloud, not just the correct answer. If your child says, I started at 5, then I counted up to 10, so the change is 5, that verbal explanation is a sign of real understanding. That's what you're listening for. That's the goal. As confidence grows over days or weeks, make the prices a little less round. Instead of 10, charge 11. Instead of 20, pay with a note worth 50. Gradually, the numbers get messier and the thinking gets stronger. This is scaffolding, building the ladder one rung at a time. Once your child can count the change out reliably with physical coins, try this bridge to the next level. Before they count, ask them to guess the change first. Just a quick estimate. Then count it together to check. That small step begins to move the skill from hands to head, from concrete to abstract, exactly as researchers recommend. The OECD, the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, has identified financial education for young people as a global priority and defines financial literacy as a combination of knowledge, skill, attitude, and behavior. Notice that word, behavior. A habit built at a kitchen table with a tin of beans and a handful of coins is genuine financial education. It counts. Here is one thing you can do today. Collect 5 or 6 items from around your home. Write a price on each one. Tip out your coins. And run one round of the pretend shop. You as shopkeeper, your child as customer. Count the change up together, out loud, 1 coin at a time. That's the whole lesson. 1 round. 5 minutes. A real skill begun. If this helped you, subscribe to Little Money Habits. We're here every week with practical, research-grounded ideas for raising children who understand money. No lectures, just small habits that actually work.